Fukuyama Island, commonly known as Phu Quoc, is a mesmerizing tropical paradise located off the southwestern coast of Vietnam in the Gulf of Thailand. Spanning approximately 574 square kilometers, this island is renowned for its stunning natural beauty, pristine beaches, vibrant marine life, and rich cultural history. Over the years, Phu Quoc has transformed from a quiet fishing village into a popular tourist destination while striving to preserve its authentic charm and ecological integrity. The island boasts an extensive coastline featuring some of Vietnam's most beautiful beaches, including Long Beach, Bai Truong, and Bai Ça. These beaches are characterized by powdery white sands, crystal clear turquoise waters, and spectacular sunsets that paint the sky in hues of orange and pink. Visitors can indulge in various water activities such as snorkeling, scuba diving, jet skiing, and boat trips that explore the surrounding coral reefs and nearby islands. The coral reefs near An Thoi Harbor are teeming with diverse marine life, making them a haven for underwater enthusiasts. Beyond its beaches, Phu Quoc is home to lush tropical forests, waterfalls, and mountains that offer numerous hiking opportunities. The Phu Quoc National Park, covering nearly two-thirds of the island, is a UNESCO-recognized biosphere reserve rich in biodiversity. This protected area is a sanctuary for rare and endangered species such as the dugong, and it provides a habitat for various birds, reptiles, and plant species. Trekking through the dense jungle reveals hidden waterfalls like Soi Tran and Da Ban, where visitors can relax and enjoy the serenity of nature. Culturally, Phu Quoc has a fascinating history rooted in traditional fishing techniques, local crafts, and religious practices. The island's historical sites include the Din Kha Night Market, where fresh seafood is abundant, and the Din Kha Temple, dedicated to local fishermen's guardian spirits. Visitors often explore the ancient pepper farms and fish sauce factories, which are integral to the island's economy and culinary identity. The production of fish sauce, or nuoc mam, is a centuries-old tradition that continues to thrive and define the island's gastronomic reputation. The island's economy has diversified in recent years, with tourism becoming a significant driver. Luxury resorts, boutique hotels, and eco-friendly accommodations have sprung up, attracting international travelers seeking both relaxation and adventure. The local cuisine reflects a blend of Vietnamese, Khmer, and French influences, offering a variety of dishes such as fresh seafood, grilled meats, and traditional noodle soups. Night markets and street vendors provide authentic culinary experiences, allowing visitors to savor local delicacies in vibrant, bustling atmospheres. In addition to leisure activities, Phu Quoc serves as an important hub for conservation efforts and sustainable development. Initiatives aim to protect its unique ecosystems, promote ecotourism, and support local communities. The island's government and various organizations work together to balance economic growth with environmental preservation, ensuring that future generations can continue to enjoy its natural beauty. Transportation to and around Phu Quoc is convenient, with an international airport connecting the island to major Vietnamese cities and select international destinations. Once on the island, travelers can explore by motorbike, bicycle, or guided tours that provide immersive experiences in local villages, spice farms, and cultural landmarks. The warm hospitality of the local residents enhances the visitor experience, fostering a welcoming atmosphere that reflects the island's friendly spirit. As the sun dips below the horizon, Phu Quoc transforms into a vibrant nightlife destination. Beach bars and resorts host live music, fire shows, and cultural performances, creating a lively ambience that complements its laid-back daytime serenity. The island's vibrant atmosphere, combined with its natural wonders, makes it a truly unique destination for travelers seeking both relaxation and adventure. In recent years, Phu Quoc has also become a center for wellness tourism, with numerous spas and resorts offering traditional Vietnamese therapies, yoga retreats, and holistic healing practices. These facilities emphasize natural ingredients, tranquil settings, and holistic well-being, attracting visitors eager to rejuvenate mind, body, and soul amidst the island's peaceful surroundings. Overall, Phu Quoc stands as a testament to Vietnam's diverse landscapes and cultural richness. Its harmonious blend of natural splendor, historical depth, and modern development offers a compelling experience for all who visit. Whether exploring its vibrant coral reefs, wandering through ancient pepper plantations, or simply relaxing on sun-kissed beaches, travelers leave with memories of a truly enchanting island that continues to captivate hearts worldwide. Phu Quoc is also renowned for its production of fish sauce, a staple ingredient in Vietnamese cuisine. The art of fermenting anchovies into this distinctive condiment has been cultivated over centuries, becoming a cultural hallmark that signifies regional craftsmanship and culinary pride. This tradition has contributed to Vietnam's broader gastronomic identity, with Phu Quoc's fish sauce earning international recognition, thereby elevating the island's cultural profile on the global stage. Furthermore, the island's lush landscapes and traditional villages have preserved many indigenous practices and beliefs. Local artisans craft products such as woven mats, pottery, and jewelry, each imbued with motifs and techniques passed down through generations. These crafts serve not only as economic activities but also as cultural expressions that maintain a sense of continuity amid rapid modernization. The influence of tourism has introduced new dimensions to Phu Quoc's cultural landscape. As visitors flock to its resorts and beaches, there has been a blending of traditional customs with contemporary entertainment. Cultural performances, such as traditional dance and music, are often showcased to entertain tourists, simultaneously serving as a means of cultural preservation and adaptation. This interaction has prompted local communities to find a balance between showcasing their heritage and accommodating economic development. In recent decades, efforts to promote eco-cultural tourism have further highlighted the island's cultural assets. Initiatives aimed at preserving indigenous practices and educating visitors about local history foster a greater appreciation for Phu Quoc's cultural richness.